In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your ChatGPT app to the latest version. So by updating your ChatGPT, it means you'll get the latest features that comes with the current version of ChatGPT, and you'll also be able to fix some of the bugs and problems you are encountering with the older form or with the older version of ChatGPT. Now, if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to update your ChatGPT, you will have to use either an Android smartphone or an iPhone. So if you are using an iPhone, then you need to go to your App Store. However, if you are using an Android smartphone, then you can update your ChatGPT AI app through the Google Play Store. For this tutorial, I'm going to use my Google Play Store because I'm using an Android smartphone. So to get started, just go to your Play Store. And here's my Play Store. And now go ahead and search for ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, we have ChatGPT here. Now just go ahead and tap on it to open. As you can see, we have two options here, uninstall and update. If you see we have update option here, it means you're not using the current version of ChatGPT, and therefore you need to go ahead and update this. So to update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of ChatGPT on your Android smartphone. And once the download is done, it will now go ahead and install it on your smartphone. And here the installation is done, and now you can see we have the open option. So under your update, if you can't see update but you have this option called open, then it means you already have the latest version of ChatGPT. So from here, just proceed on to open it, or now you can go to your apps and you can also open it from here. So that's how you update your ChatGPT to the latest or to the current version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.